JT on the track again.
What's up, y'all? It's your girl Randa G. I will be showing y'all how I wash my hair. So I am actually using the SheaMoisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil Strength and Restore line. So right now you're watching me, I'm just shampooing my hair. Make sure I lather that all in. Make sure I get my scalp, the back of my hair. And then I'm just rinsing that out. And now I'm just using the conditioner. I make sure I focus on my ends. And then I just move my way up to my scalp. Make sure I massage it in. So while I do have conditioner in my hair, I do detangle. And I just start from the bottom. And I just move my way up to my roots. Just to cause less shedding as possible. And also, you just don't want to rip your hair out. So make sure you start from your ends and move your way up to your roots. And honestly, I really am enjoying this line. Like I was saying before in my other video, you know, I just really wasn't taking care of my hair. But now I really want to focus on getting it back healthy, making sure my curls are flourishing. And I really think I'll be able to do that with these products. Look how they're looking so far with just shampoo and conditioner. So now I'm just going to use the mask, and I do the same thing as my conditioner. You know, I start with my ends, really focus on those ends, move my way up to my roots, and make sure you get your edges. Can't forget your edges. Those are a part of your hair. So here you just see me really focusing on my edges. My edges, they haven't been thinning out, but to make sure that they don't thin out, you just want to give them a little extra attention, you know. So I don't detangle with my denim brush. The mask, I just do my fingers, which wasn't hard at all. I'm being dramatic when I'm making those faces, but the mask, I can already feel it working. Hair feels moisturized, soft, and actually doesn't smell bad either. I know people go back and forth if they like SheaMoisture or not, but I'm all about going back to the basics. If something worked before, try it again, sister. So that's what we're doing. So right now I am just putting on my shower cap while I still have the mask on my hair, and I am just going to finish up my shower while that is marinating in the shower cap. And I will be right back. Ain't my shower cap so cute? Ugh, I look like a little Southern belle. So, I'm out the shower. I still have my shower cap on. I am now just sitting on the dryer for 30 minutes. I washed out my mask, and this is how the curls are looking right now. Oh, my hair is so soft, y'all, and it feels so good. My hair doesn't feel stripped. And now I'm just using my tea tree mint scalp treatment. And I am just going to put that throughout my hair. My scalp's been real itchy lately. I don't know why, but this scalp treatment has definitely helped. And I'm just now going to massage that all into my scalp.
Remember those walls I built? And baby, they're tumbling down. And they didn't even put up a fight. They didn't even make a sound.
So now I'm just going to go in with the leave-in conditioner. I did split my hair into 2 sections. And I just start from my ends, move my way up to my roots. Try to make sure I get all of my hair. And then I'm just going to take my denim brush. And we're going to detangle, of course, starting from our ends and move our way up to my roots. And like I was saying, y'all, I definitely see a difference in my hair, even with just, this is only my second time washing my hair with the SheaMoisture Restore and Strength line, and even using the mask and the conditioner. And I can already tell a big difference. Like, my curls just look healthier. It feels healthier. And I'm not gonna lie, it makes me feel better. You know, when you see yourself looking good, you feel good. That's just what I'm on right now. So I'm definitely going to keep continuing to use the SheaMoisture because I definitely feel like it's working. And I feel like once I get my hair to where I feel like it is in a good state, then I'll move on to different products. I'm probably going to go back to As I Am next, but I think I'm going to use her for a couple of more weeks, if not a couple of more months, to really see what we can get done about my hair. But look at the curls, y'all, even from here. Like, I don't know, but Shea, she did her thing when she did this. You hear me? Okay, so now I am just going to take my brush and brush it back. And I'm just showing y'all this because I am about to do a protective style. I think I'm going to put a wig on. So, but I really just wanted to show y'all my hair wash routine, and I wanted to show y'all the SheaMoisture leave-in because it really does feel so good. My hair feels so moisturized. It was so easy to detangle. But yeah, right here, I'm just slicking my hair back, and y'all are about to watch me braid it up. And yeah, I'm about to get ready to do a protective style. But please feel free to keep watching how I do lay my wigs flat without braiding my hair. This is a trick, ladies. Y'all might want to hop on this because me, I cannot do cornrows to save my life. But this still gets my wigs nice and flat. And ain't nobody said nothing to me yet. So I must be doing the thing. Okay? So sit back, relax, and enjoy me doing my hair. I love y'all. Hit like and subscribe. Turn on your notifications so you don't miss the next video. I do think the next video will be another natural video because I noticed that y'all like when I do my natural hair. So I will calm down with the wigs. I'm still going to wear them, but I'm not going to record me installing them. I'm going to show y'all me doing my hair. So enjoy, and I'll see y'all next video. Love y'all.
Are you gonna be? Say that you're gonna be.
Tell you what I did last night. I came home, say around 2:45. Still so high, hypnotized in a trance from this body, so buttery brown and tantalizing. You would have thought I needed help from this feeling that I felt. So shook, I had to catch my breath. Ooh, there goes my shirt up over my head. Oh my. Ooh, there goes my skirt dropping to my feet. Oh my. Ooh, some kind of touch caressing my legs. Oh my. Ooh, I'm turning red. Who could this be? I tried and I tried to avoid, but this thing was happening. Swallow my pride, let it ride and parted. But this body felt just like mine. I got worried, I looked over to the left, a reflection of myself. That's why I couldn't catch my breath. Oops, there goes my shirt up over my head. Oh my, oh my. Oops, there goes my skirt dropping to my feet. Oh my, oh my. Ooh, some kind of touch caressing my